Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Axie Infinity pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 1747% in a sort of enormous manner. The cost of Axie Infinity generally has fallen by 332% in the past 24 hours, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As far as Axie support floor, it in a real sense is currently $10.21, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Axie for the most part has its next opposition at $11.87, or so they sort of thought. 05 Walk 2024. In this we will especially walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on pressing issues facts, what in every practical sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for Axie Infinity, truly is Axie an excellent interest in an unpretentious manner. Axie Infinity support and obstruction levels, and so on, showing how Axie generally has its truly next opposition at $11.87 in an especially large manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Axie specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the essentially current economic situations, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 184%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $2 380 706 34 932 in an especially significant manner. The very absolute exchanging volume essentially remains at $222 460 527 066, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is very critical, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 571%, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a very significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting how Axie Infinity support and opposition levels and so on, showing how Axie basically has its in every way that really matters, next obstruction at $11.87, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.21% within a similar time period. Exhibiting how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $2 380 706 34 932, which in a real sense is very huge. Sol, the local coin of Solana, for the most part is up by 146, and at present exchanging at $132.35, which basically shows that 05 Walk 2024. In this we will truly walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense, got clarification on some things facts, what by and large is somewhat momentary cost. Expectation for Axie Infinity, by and large is Axie a kind of wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 596% in esteem, or so they certainly thought. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a kind of descending bearing for genuinely transient in a by and large significant manner. As of now, a sort of broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. Axie Infinity backing and obstruction backing and opposition, especially are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which certainly shows that Axie Infinity support and opposition levels and so on, exhibiting how Axie for the most part has its genuinely next opposition at $11.87 in a by and large significant manner. Support, especially as a level at which purchases in a real sense become essentially more beautiful, dynamic, and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how support certainly is a level at which purchases by and large become sort of more especially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they especially thought. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants generally become move kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Axie specialized investigation, sort of allowed us basically to discuss the sort of current economic situations, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Axie Infinity Axie Infinity Execution. The essentially everyday diagram of Axie Infinity for the most part shows that the Axie cost especially has a truly descending development with a 332% lessening in commonly beyond 24 hours. By and large shows that Axie Infinity backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which certainly shows that Axie Infinity support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting how Axie truly has its especially next obstruction at $11.87 in an extremely significant manner. The value worth of the Axie Infinity Axis coin especially is remaining at $10.29 with market capitalization $1,422 571 806 as USD in an unpretentious manner. Axie cost changes 1747% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $208 444 52 as USD. Also they explicitly thought. Axie Infinity Value Examination Axie Cost Investigation for ZO5 Walk 2024 inside a sort of day-to-day time period sort of made sense of underneath, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 1633% in every practical sense, significant way. We utilize certainly relative strength indexes, moving in every practical sense, normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving pretty normal SMA and dramatic moving really normal MA2 in every way that really matters. Examine the future development of the Axie Infinity, which generally shows that the cost of Axie Infinity for the most part has fallen by 332% in the past 24 hours in an all things considered significant way. The prompt opposition for Axie in every practical sense is truly found at $11.87, and a breakout from this level could explicitly leads towards the really next obstruction, which can be basically found at $12.64, which in a real sense shows that following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Axie Infinity Axie Infinity Execution. The very day-to-day graph of Axie Infinity explicitly shows that the Axie value sort of has an especially descending development with a 332% decline in genuinely beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that Axie Infinity backing and opposition backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish all things considered, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which generally